Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the audience and the single biggest benefit, that clarity guides every shot. Once identified, sketch a 60-90 second storyboard. Hook, demo, call to action, and map 3 core scenes. Make sure to prepare the product, charger, and clean backdrop. Set your tripod and lav mic first because sound and framing are urgent. While you're framing, test a quick 10-second clip to confirm exposure and audio levels so you don't waste time later. Once the first shots are solid, follow a 3-shot coverage approach: wide establishing, medium demo, and close-up detail to give editing options. You should record ambient room audio and a separate clean voiceover so edits remain crisp. Mark best takes as you go. While demonstrating, narrate benefits in context, explain why each action matters, not just how to do it. Make sure to capture a concise 3-step call to action on camera, then record an extra clean take for safety. You finish by editing to a tight 60-90 seconds. Cut filler, emphasize benefits with B-roll, and pace scenes so viewers stay engaged. Once done, balance audio levels, add captions and an unobtrusive CTA text layer, then include a 3-5 second ending frame with your URL or next step. Export using H.264 at the target ratio. If color or sound looks off, troubleshoot by checking levels, replacing noisy takes, or re-recording a short voiceover to patch the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.